sent you link. I have called you, invite you. Am I right? And if you want video, no problem. I can give you. The thing is that you have to pay at least 500 rupees. Okay?
Okay, okay, okay.
Will you send me?
I'm sending at this time.
You have to send me 500 rupees if you want video. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so thank you so much. After a long time, we are meeting. I think we meet next year. Am I right?
Yeah,
After
1 year
one
after I
year, we
connected.
are meeting.
1 year after I connected. No?
After 1 year, we have connected and we are meeting. Then how have you been so far, sir?
Everything is good, sir. Everything is normal, but
Okay.
previous than better at this time.
Wow,
You
that's
are
great.
also
That's
feeling
great.
good.
So
So
how is your practice going on?
practice is going on good.
With whom do you practice?
Sorry?
With whom do you practice?
Yeah, self practice, session practice. Yeah, these things I am doing.
Okay, only you do self practice.
Sorry?
Self practice.
Yeah, basically self practice. Otherwise, from friends, I search through email and WhatsApp. Then I connected.
Okay. Do you have WhatsApp group?
WhatsApp group. Yeah.
Okay,
Which
okay.
you are using, which are you are participate. That's a group also I added. You have
Okay,
other
okay.
also added group, WhatsApp group.
Wow, that's great. That's great. Okay. So you have a government job, am I right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so after a long time we are meeting. So first, I want you to introduce myself for my viewers.
Yes, yes, why not? Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If talk about my education, I have done CMA from Cinamasta Institute of Technology, Rajbras, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirvan University, KTM, Nepal. If talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am a health person. I have a government job. And if talk about my hobby, searching a new things, make a new friends. And I have YouTube channel. YouTube channel name is English with Mukesh, where I uploaded conversation video, solo video, and my strength is communication skills. So that's all about me, sir.
Wow, that's great. That's great. So you are from Nepal, huh?
Yes,
So tell me, what is the weather and how is weather your side?
my side weather is at this time so hot, sunny all day, and sweating all the body. You can
Oh
see
my
little
God.
bit my face is sweating little bit. Fan is running, two fan is running in my room. Even then I
Mhm.
am feeling
Okay, okay.
sweating.
Why don't you purchase AC and cooler? What is the reason?
Sorry?
Why don't you purchase cooler?
Yeah, I will purchase. But actually I don't like cooler fuller. Just I like fine.
Why don't you like? What is the reason? Cooler can
That
save
I have
you
to
now
put
cash.
give
The cooler
water
can.
every day in a cooler, and cooler give us a lot of cool. So sometimes problem of headaches if necessary, like excessive cooling feeling that. And for fan is to be normal, like as that's why I not use to cooler. I use only fan.
But
So
see, if you
we
keep
as
on,
you introduce yourself, because you are the viewers also. You know, with the newer listener.
yeah.
So introduce yourself for the viewers.
Okay, okay. So as you know. My name is Ambish Rai. I come from Bihar state, but I'm talking to you from the Kuwait.
Okay.
Okay, my hobbies are listening song, watching movie, and traveling. Moreover, I also run YouTube channel where I upload English content. Okay, yeah, that's all about me. It is my big introduction. So I'm asking you, you are thinking every single day just because of summer. You purchase cooler. This cooler can save your life, and you feel relaxed. But you don't want to purchase cooler. You want to save money. Am I right?
No, no, money is not
You
problem.
you want to
I have
become you
money.
want
I
to
have
become
money,
you
but I
want to
am not
become a rich.
interested to buy a cooler.
You want to become a rich, huh?
Sorry.
You want to become a rich.
I want to become rich. If I don't buy cooler, so I will become rich. No rich.
Definitely, definitely, because you are saving money every year. That is why one day, and you must have plan. Today I will become a rich person, so that I should not purchase cooler, right?
Okay, okay.
Mm.
Do you have cooler or not? I
Yeah,
am
I
asking
have,
to you. Do you
I
have cooler?
have. Real
Yes.
to be
If
honest,
I
I
have
have.
no cooler, okay, I am going to say one thing. If I have no cooler, if I will buy, then I don't buy cooler. So I want to become rich. You
Uh,
have cooler. You buy bought cooler. So you are poor. You
that is why I am
describe.
poor. That is why I am poor, and you are rich. Try to understand.
Okay, so you are poor, I am rich man. What is the
I have
difference
private job.
between
I have
poor man
private
and
job.
rich man?
I have private job. You have government job. Okay. My work is not permanently, but your work is permanently. Okay. Even though I have cooler, I don't want to become rich. But you are very stingy. You are very stingy. You don't want to purchase.
Yes,
Huh?
I am saying one thing also. I have a
Hmm.
government job. You have a private job.
Right.
I have a little less money of salary, but your salary is high. Who is poor? Who is rich?
No, it is not like that. How much money are you earning? Today, today I want to reveal it. How much money are you earning? Tell me.
No, how? Who is rich? You are earning from high me. So you are poor, rich. I have a less salary.
Hmm.
Nepal government has poor. Nepal government provide less salary to the uh, worker.
Hmm.
It's
No.
worker. So
Okay.
I am poor. You are rich man.
But
That is the
how?
difference
How?
only. I have a government job. I have a permanent. My job is fixed, but your job is not fixed.
So
When do you do that you can do? Same.
I am Indian. That is why you are saying that I am rich, and you are Nepali. That is why you are saying I am poor. Huh? My government provides a very good salary, and your government does not provide good salary.
No good salary. Already you know
What?
Nepal government less salary.
What?
I am
Okay,
not saying. I am not saying this is the
give me
government
give me government
rules
member.
and regulation.
I wanna talk your what you know. I wanna talk your government.
Sorry,
Give me your government number. Okay. What is the government?
you would like to take a
What is the
government
prime
number,
minister name? What is the
and
prime
you would
minister
like
name?
to
Tell
say
me.
government. You increase your salary, his
Definitely,
salary.
definitely, definitely. Definitely, I would say that my friend is facing problem here and you have given job. So please try to increase salary so that he will
Yes,
be
yes.
better, he will be better and he purchase
Okay,
everything.
you said my friends doing government job. My friends is not satisfied. So that's why I am giving, I am asking, and I am saying to like as increase in his salary. So you say my government, yeah.
Yeah, I will say. I will say of your government, definitely.
Okay, I have a somewhat. I have a
No,
patient
no,
in
no, no.
my.
I will not let you go because you have met after a long time. You ask some question. I want to increase conversation. Don't worry. Okay. Only 5 minutes you have to give me.
Okay, okay, no problem. But my problem is you listen first, and after then you don't give me permission and you don't give me leave time. Yes, I am a health person. I am doing service to the patient. Patient is in front of my house. They stay. They waiting for getting treatment. So I have to treat them. So that's why give me a time. And after then definitely I will connect again. One video is
Okay.
12
Okay.
minutes.
Then after some days we will connect. Huh, again, huh?
Yes, this also video you can upload 20 minute, 12 minutes. It is necessary. It is
Okay.
perfect.
Okay.
Good.
Don't
Okay.
worry. Okay.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you so much
Have a
for
nice
giving
day.
me. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time, and we enjoy
Thank
the
you.
love.
Thank you.
Huh? Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks.